It's another bloody bear market phase in the crypto space. At times like these are times where I would be wondering and I'll be thinking, what would people do during this time? Or that might be what you might be thinking as well. During a bear market phase like this, what is the right thing to do? Or what should you do? You bought Bitcoin around 100K when the price was 100K, and now the price has dropped to 65, $64. What should you do? I know that's a thought that might be coming through your mind right now because I've had thoughts like this, like speaking from experience, someone that has survived two crypto bear markets. So I'm speaking from experience. In a time like this, what should you do? Well, the truth is you practically do nothing. There's nothing you can do. I mean, the only thing you can do is wait. Wait out the whole process. Wait for the market to bleed out because there's a lot of things going on, war here and there, and all these things are also affecting the market. So the best thing to do as a crypto trader that have bought around the price of 100K Bitcoin, for example, and the price have dropped to 65,000, 67,000. The only thing you're expected to do is to wait the whole process out. Although what I'm saying or what I'm about to say here is not going to be in any way or form of financial advice, but it's something that you should, get a first-hand knowledge on, from someone that have survived two crypto bear markets and I'm still here. So all the things that I've learned, I'm going to share with you in this video. Okay. Like I said, number one, you should wait. Wait out the process. Now, during the waiting phase, it doesn't necessarily mean you wait doing nothing. No. During this phase is a time where you would have to learn, you know, get to study the market if you're a beginner, try to understand what you did wrong, why you bought at a very wrong price, and now that the price is dropping, what you should have done or what you would do better. This is a time of research, this is a time of study. During bear market, believe you me, during bear markets, these are times where if you are very careful, you might just trade in a way that during the next bull run, it will serve as a turning point in your life. But like I said, you have to be very careful and take this period as a time of study. Do not go around buying coins. Do not go around listening to people. This is not the right time because the market is going through a flush right now. Coins that are, not strong enough, projects that are weak, they will be flushed out. And you don't want to be holding a coin or a meme coin, for example, that will be among the coins that will be flushed. So you have to be careful and watch out for that. Then, if you have already bought a coin or you already have an asset, let's say you bought Ethereum, for example, or any other asset that you might have bought. If the asset or the coin you bought is not the kind that you can stake, I would advise you this period you convert your asset to Ethereum so that you can stake them. Now, staking Ethereum does not mean that your problems will be solved, but it will create a form of balance, okay, whereby your assets can be growing during the bear market phase. Your assets can be growing even though price is dropping. That's the second thing you can do. Third thing you can do is DCA. Now, DCA is another trading practice that has been, used by expert traders for a very long time. DCA simply means dollar cost averaging. This is the time whereby when you want to trade, you make sure you don't focus on, you know, lump sum trading, which means you buy once. Instead of buying once, let's say if you are making a trade and you have like $100, you can now tell yourself that every week in this $100 that I have, I'll only be spending $10 weekly to purchase a particular asset. Could be Bitcoin, could be Ethereum, could be any other asset of your choice. All right. So that is another thing you can do if you want to stay in the market. Then if you feel like this whole thing is just stressing you out, hey, I get it. I get it. You're not the first. Okay. You can decide to stay off the market, stay off the chart. save money during this time. Just focus on saving money. You can save your money in your native currency, or you can just save your money in USDT, however you choose. But the point is, don't go investing on a falling knife. Don't go investing during a bear market. It is very risky. Okay. At this point, like I said, you observe, you learn, you grow. Now, these are the little tips I have for us right now. If you like the video, do well to subscribe, do well to follow for more facts.